just went through the ice. Ah, that is cold. Everything's wet. Literally, I went right under my head. The ice is so deceptive. Where's the camp? Where's the camp? I need to get back to the fire. Crank it up. Where is it? Where is it? I need to heat up. Oh, I can feel my limbs starting to slow down and freeze up. Just went in again. The most important thing is get this fire going. I'm changing it from a long fire into a star fire because I need concentrated heat. Okay. Everything off. That was so stupid. That was so stupid. I've got a fleece. What am I doing? In all the haste, I forgot that I hadn't got all my layers on. How stupid is that? I'm sitting here in wet pants. I'm actually going to take my pants off now, but I'm not going to show you that. Oh my goodness me. Snowflakes falling down everywhere. Hopefully the stuff that's drying around the fire is drying quicker than it's getting wet. Almost back to square one. It's like you go ahead in a game of sport and then the opposition get an interception and run the length of the pitch and score. And you're just like, right, back to the drawing board. My boot had fallen into the fire and that has melted. Today's not my day, is it? Thankfully, they're still wearable, and I've not got big drifts of snow to contend with anymore. Crikey. What a day. What a day.